Welcome. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to download GIF or GIF on your computer. So a little fun fact, GIF means graphic interchange format. So let's get started. So first you want to open your Google Chrome. Okay, after that search whatever GIF you want. So as you can see here, I put monkey GIF. So just make sure you put this word, okay, the GIF word. Then after that you want to click enter and then click images and then choose whatever you want. So I'm just gonna choose this this one. So as you can see, it's moving, and just right click on the GIF and then click and save image as, and then just make sure you save your GIF in your computer. Okay, so if you want to change your file name, feel free to do that. After that you just want to click save, and then as you can see here, it is downloading. You just want to wait for a little while, then click that, then that's it. You have the GIF in your computer. And I hope this helps, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.